안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I'm your Korean mentor. Today we will learn how to make Korean word using vowel and consonant. If you did not watch the video vowel and consonant, click on I button to watch all video about vowels and consonant. There are some notes for you. The first one is Korean word always starts with consonant. One Korean word consists of minimum 2 syllables and maximum 4 syllables. If there is no consonant, then we will use yang to start the word. If we use yang consonant to start the word, it would be silent. So let's see our first word. Our first word is kha. Kha. If we break into syllable, our first consonant is kyuk. The name of the consonant is kyuk and the voice is k. K. K and G mixed voice. K. Korean word always start with consonant. Here is a consonant. Plus the second syllable is a vowel. A. A. K. A. K. A. K. K. A. K. K. Go. Ka mean go. For now, don't worry about the meaning of the word, just focus on how to make the Korean words. Our second word is da. Da. If we break into syllable, our first consonant is digat. D. D. The voice is D. Plus, our second syllable is a vowel and the voice is a. A. D. A. D. A. Da. Da. Da mean all. All. Our third word is khang. Khang. If we break into syllable, our first consonant is kyuk. Kyuk. And the voice is k. K. Plus, our second syllable is a vowel and the voice is a. A. K. A. Kha. Our third syllable is yang. Yang. K. A. Yang. Khang. Khang. Khang mean river. Our fourth word is khap. Khap. As I told you earlier, one Korean word consists of minimum 2 syllables and maximum 4 syllables. Here is a 4 syllables word. If we break into syllable, our first syllable is a consonant. The name of the consonant is kyuk and the voice is k. K. Plus our second syllable is a vowel and the voice is a. K. A. Plus our third syllable is a consonant. The name of the consonant is biop. Biop and the voice is p. P. Khap. Khap. Our fourth syllable is a consonant and the name of the consonant is shyut. Shyut and the voice is s. S. Khap. Khap. Here our fourth consonant is silent. Why this fourth consonant is silent, we will discuss a little bit later. Khap. Khap mean value. Value in term of money. Our fifth word is a-e. A-e. As you can see, a is a vowel, e is also a vowel. So we will not start any word with vowel. So we have to use consonant yang. Yang in the start of the word. If we break into syllable, our first syllable is a. A. Plus our second syllable is e. E. A, E. As you can see, if there is no consonant, then we will use ing. So there is no consonant, we use ing. Ing. If we use ing consonant in the start, as you can see, we used ing in the start, it would be silent. So it is silent. A, E. A, E, baby. Our fifth word is O, E. O, E, cucumber. O, E. O is also a vowel and E is vowel as well. So we will not start any word with vowel. So we have to use ing consonant in the start. O, E. O, E. When we use ing consonant in the start, it would be silent. So it is silent. O, E. Cucumber. Our last word is oo, you. Oo, you. Oo is also vowel and U is vowel as well. So we will not start any word with vowel. So we have to use consonant in the start. Ing. Oo, you. Oo, you. Milk. If we use ing consonant in the start, it would be silent. And the same consonant ing used in the end of any word, it will pronounce naturally. Ung. Its voice is ung. Khang. Ung. For now, don't worry about the meaning of any word. Try to make your own word using this method. We will learn meaning in vocabulary session. So don't worry about the meaning of any word. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.